Okay, so let's see both of those methods again with another calculation. So this time we're going to do 645 divided by 24. So first thing we do for both methods, write out the times table. So 24, 48, 72, 96. Again, it helps if I write things out properly. 26 plus 24 is 120. And I'm going to stop there for now because 5 might be enough for me to get on with. So 24 into 6 goes 0 times, carry the 6. 24 into 64, 64 would be here. So that's twice. 64 take away 48 is 64, take away 40 is 24, take away 8 is 16, so my remainder is 16. So I'm going to carry my 16 here. 24 into 165, actually I haven't gone far enough, so I'm going to add on some more. 144, 168, that's enough. There we go. So 24 into 165, 165 would be here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6. 165, sorry, take away 144 is 165, take away 160 is 65, take away 40 is 25, take away 4 is 21. So remainder 21. So that's the short division method. The long division method now, same thing, set up in exactly the same way, 645 divided by 24. 24 into 6 doesn't go, so 0 times 24 is 0. I'm going to subtract that. 6 take away 0 is 6, and bring down the 4. 24 into 64, we know from last time, is here, so that's 2. 2 lots of 24 is 48, and see, this is where it's useful because now we've got it written down and we can do subtraction, written subtraction. So 4 take away 8 I can't do. Carry, I'm going to exchange. 14 take away 8 is 6. 5 take away 4 is 1. 16. Phew, I did that mentally accurately. Let's bring down the 5. 24 into 165 is here. So from last time we know that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 times 24 is 144. Let's write that down. 144. Let's subtract that. Let's see if I took that away properly. 5 take away 1 is 1. 6 take away 4 is 2. 1 take away 1 is 0. Yes, I did. Yay me. So my remainder again is 21, or if I'm expressing that as a fraction, it's 26 with 21 over 24, which I can simplify to 26 and 7/8. Okay, so that was short division. So long division works in a very, very similar way, but it actually breaks down the steps even more. So let's do the same calculation. 483 divided by 15. I'm going to start in the exact same way, so I'm going to write out my times tables. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. This time, I break down all of the steps and I write down every single thing that I do. So, how many 15s go into 4? 0. So 0 times 15 is 0. And I subtract that. 4 take away 0 is 4. And now I'm going to bring down my 8. How many 15s in 48? Again, going to my number line, 48. would be here. So it's 1, 2, 3. 3 lots of 15 is 45. So instead of having to do this calculation mentally, like we've been doing before, we write it down. 8 take away 5 is 3, 4 take away 4 is 0. So that's the 3 that we would have carried before, our remainder. But this time we've got it written down. So now I'm going to bring down this 3 here. And I'm going to bring it down to here. So now I'm doing how many 15s into 33, which is exactly the same as we did in the last step, but I've got it written down. 33 would be here. How many 15s in 33 is 1, 2. 2 lots of 15 is 30. So I write my 30 down here and I subtract, which again I did mentally before, but now I'm writing it down. So 3 take away 0 is 3. 3 take away 3 is 0. I've got nothing left to bring down up here, so this becomes my remainder. And as before, you can express that as a fraction. So just as before, our answer is either 32 remainder 3 or 32 and 3/15, which you can simplify.